Hello. Did you know that Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in history, suffered from such intense abdominal pain that he thought he would die? In 1948, while at Princeton University, he started vomiting and had severe abdominal pain. The doctor, Rudolf Nissen, decided to operate on him urgently and discovered that Einstein had a large abdominal aortic aneurysm. This is the topic of today's video: abdominal aortic aneurysm. Symptoms, causes, risks and treatments will be discussed, in addition to Einstein's story. Share the video to help people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals and save lives. Do you know someone who has had an aortic aneurysm? Write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Aortic aneurysm is a serious condition that can lead to death if not treated properly. Usually, the aortic aneurysm is asymptomatic, which means that the person may have the disease without knowing it. However, in some cases, there may be symptoms such as abdominal pain, back pain, chest discomfort and difficulty breathing. There are several risk factors for developing aortic aneurysm, including advanced age, smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, family history of aortic aneurysm, among others. It is important to emphasize that even if the person has one or more risk factors, this does not necessarily mean that he will develop the disease. Diagnosis of aortic aneurysm is usually done through imaging tests, such as ultrasound, computed tomography, or magnetic resonance imaging. Treatment varies according to the size and location of the aneurysm, but may include clinical follow-up, surgery, or minimally invasive procedures. Returning to Einstein's story, after surgery to wrap the aneurysm in cellophane, he still lived for another 5 years and continued to work on his theories until the end of his life. His surgery episode is proof that, even in times when medical technology was not as advanced as it is today, medicine was still capable of saving lives through simple and creative solutions. Aortic aneurysm is a condition that requires proper medical attention and care. It is important to be aware of risk factors and have regular checkups to detect the disease early. In addition, it is essential to follow medical guidelines for treatment and follow-up in order to avoid serious complications. Einstein's story is an example of how proper treatment can prolong a person's life and allow them to continue carrying out their activities and contributing to society. This news about aortic aneurysm and Einstein's story shows us the importance of prevention, diagnosis, and adequate treatment of this serious disease. It is essential that people know the risk factors and symptoms so that they can seek medical help as soon as possible, thus increasing the chances of recovery. We would like to know your opinion on this matter. Did you already know the aortic aneurysm? Have you ever had a family member or friend who has gone through this situation? Leave your comment below. I also take the opportunity to invite everyone to subscribe to the channel and stay on top of more news and relevant information about health and well-being. And remember, taking care of your health is fundamental to having a full and happy life.